Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to JASMY video update. Now I'm just going to continue from where we left off yesterday, and there's this particular scenario that I talked about yesterday. If I try to remove that draw line right there, we do have this level which is the 0.618, and for some reasons right now I just want to remove some of this drawing so that we can get a little bit of a clarity on the charts as well. Just going to remove that draw. Something else here as well, remove that one. So we're left with this particular symmetrical triangle that happened before, or a pennant right there, broke a little bit to the upside, went to the technical target, take our stop losses because people were trying to maybe short a little bit, and then this is known as, maybe this is just that emotional move to the upside where the market just looks at the emotions of people. When people are so bearish, boom, go up, okay? And now people turn bullish, suddenly, boom, go down. The thing is that as soon as you made this correction, because this is correction actually, this is just a correction in a downtrend, because when you go down, correct up, down, right? So what's next after this correction? Down, right? So where to? When you lose 0.618 right here, as I told you before, and you can see that now you're really back testing the 0.618 and you're closing below the 0.618. If I dive into the 4-hour time frame, it's going to be way more clear. Look at that, very clear rejection of the 0.618. So move a little bit lower and come up to the 0.618, and you can see that you've made a bearish Harami candlestick right over there. So basically I will say, like, this is a stop loss at 3848, and you're looking for this thing to move even way more lower. And my take is to look at JASMY to actually come to 2709, and I actually look at this one making that 28% or nearly 30% move to the downside. So be very careful, you're warned. Thank you so much for watching this one. And by the way, to invalidate this pattern, you still need to come above 0.618 and close above here to have chances to move higher. But I think the chances are really slim to do that, by the way. That's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.